Everything is fine. Children and adults have family. It's all the minutes you need to repair and restore your tractor. And there's food for you to take home tonight. Donuts and cheese, all sorts of pies. Pheasant and meat pie, venison pies, they're all here. Make sure you have yourself for supper tonight.